Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. A while ago I shared a video where I showed you how to make rich and healthy date paste. The feedback was amazing. A lot of you are using it in your smoothies, your zobo drink, your overnight oats, while a lot of you also asked, what if I want a dry sweetener, something I can sprinkle on my granola, on my pap, or my juice? And today we are going to be taking our amazing date fruits and transforming them into date powder. It's a perfect replacement for your white and brown sugar. So guys, come with me, let me show you how to transform your date fruits into date powder. So this is my date fruits. You can get your dates at the local store or the supermarkets. I usually get mine from the local markets because it's cheaper. First, we're going to pour this over. Next, I'm going to deseed my date fruits. It's just to break through the dates and take out the seeds. This is not a difficult process. All you need is a knife. So you just cut through your dates and take out the seeds. So this particular date fruit is very easy to break. I don't know if it's because it's not a Nigerian dates fruit. It's quite easy. Mine came as a gift from my brother-in-law, but I like that the fact that it's really neat. There's nothing inside. As you can see, this is it. It's soft, but the inside is so neat. Like, I don't have to wash it. I really don't have to wash it. Unlike the last one, the one I used in making the date paste, I had to rinse it like twice before soaking it. But this, I don't have to rinse. Everything is looking really, really good. We are done deseeding our date fruits. Next, we are going to be dehydrating this. So I'm just going to show you how to dehydrate your date fruits. Now I'll be drying my date fruits. There are so many ways you can dry your date fruits. You can sun dry, you can use your oven. I'm going to be using my air fryer today. So guys, I'm just going to bring out my air fryer basket. So I'm going to spread my dates around the basket. I'm just going to go ahead to maybe cut open the ones that are not open, just so it can dry as soon as possible. I've not used my air fryer for dehydration. This is going to be my first time. So I'm just going to put my basket in and click the dehydration. Okay, let's see how long this is going to take. Hey lovelies, so I'm done dehydrating. This took a lot of time. At some point I almost gave up, but then I had to complete what I had started. So I'm done dehydrating. I'm going to show you how it looks after dehydration, and we'll just go ahead to blend it into a powder form. So if you're looking to make your date powder, just be ready to exercise a lot of patience, because that's what is required, you know, to get your perfect date powder. So guys, let's see what we have. Yeah, this is our dry dates. As you can see, they are all dry. How do you know when your dates are dry? Well, your dates are dry when the skin becomes wrinkled and you can easily break them into pieces just by using your hands. So when you dry your dates and it gets to this point, just know that they are well dried, then proceed to blending. So I'll just go ahead to transfer my dried dates into my blender. I'll cover the lid. I'll just go ahead to blend. So we are done blending. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. Oh my god, I love the flavor. So I'm done blending my dates. This is how it is. I have a fine powder. I'm just going to transfer it into my bowl. So I'll be scooping the date powder with a spoon into my container. This is just so they don't pour out. You can also use a funnel, I think. Anything that makes it easy for you, feel free to use. This is a good substitute for your brown and white sugar. Feel free to sprinkle this in your custard, your pap. It's a natural sweetener. So guys, our date powder is ready. This is how to make your date powder at home from scratch to finish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Click on the notification bell so you be the first to know when we post subsequent videos. Goodbye.